It's 2026. Let's try out some WordPress page builders. In this video, I'm going to do 3 of them. Thrive, which is my main go-to. I'm already done with Elementor. Thrive is the main one. The second one we're going to do is Divi, because Divi 5.0 just came out. And the last one is this new contender called Mosaic. And we're going to see how that is. And I'll let you know exactly what we're looking for. I want something that's very easily usable. Okay. I don't want to like go crazy trying to find out how to do simple stuff. So the number one thing is going to be the usability. And then we're going to check out the pricing of everything. Um, and then just kind of go from there. So first things first, let's dive into my favorite and my main one that I use all the time, Thrive. Let's go. All right, so I've got Thrive installed right here, and you can see the full plugin suite has Thrive Leads, Ultimatum, Ovation, Quiz Builder, Apprentice, Architect, Commons, and Optimize. And of course, you get the ready to use theme. When you install it, it runs you through the wizard to set up your theme, which is really, really easy. But the best part is how quickly it goes just to make a page. So if I'm right here, you could see I was messing around with it a little bit, but even if I don't have this, all I have to do is go over here, click change template. And when I first create a page, I have 4 options: normal page, blank page with header and footer, the completely blank page, or pre-built landing page. And if I click on that pre-built landing page, I can literally just browse through and see whichever one I want to use. I personally like the legacy landing pages. There's one that I really like. Where is it? It's like a almost looks like a school one. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's smart. Down here, this one right here. Love this one. Love these landing pages. So let's say we have a course launch page and we want to get this set up with our information. All I got to do is apply it, wait until it loads, and bam. It's got my logo in, it's got all the information, and then I just got to tweak the content to do what I got to do. And then I'll save the work. Let's go. Save and preview. And that quickly I've got a page set up. Like it's super simple. Everything's already here. It's just what was that? Less than 2 minutes and I've got the page up. And all I got to do is tweak the content, tweak the pictures, and the page is ready to go. This is why I love Thrive themes so much. So now what we got to do is see if the other ones are going to live up to this. Will they be able to create a page that quick? Do they have templates where I can just click it, plug and play, and just start filling in my content? Or is it more of a process to have to build something out? So I'm going to be honest. I've never touched Divi 5 and I've never touched Mosaic. So this is going to be first time experience. It's super easy to use, and that's why I mainly use it. But now let's go check out Divi. Now Divi's a little different. Divi is actually it's not a plugin, it's a theme that you have to install. So let me deactivate these, deactivate. And now let's give the Divi 5.0 a try. And again, this is the first time I'm actually doing this, so I don't really know what to expect. Here's Divi. I already pre-installed it. So let's activate this and let's see what happens. All right, your license key is active. Divi's up to date. Page is built. Posts. Okay. Um. All right. Divi 5 migrator. I don't know. Let's just see if it's as simple. Let's go here. Let's add a page. We're going to call this the Divi page. Divi page. Let's publish that. And then what's this right here? Divi settings, view. Let's use the Divi builder and see what we got. Okay. Content design, advanced, generate content with AI. I mean, that's pretty cool. I haven't seen that. And what do we have here? Layers, inspector, preset, page manager. All right. Icons, X-ray. All right. So now I just want I want a page that I can just add and tweak. So let's see if we could do something. I thought they had pre-built stuff here. Add a new section, add from library. Here we go. There's nothing in my library. All right. Access your sections from anywhere in Divi Cloud. I don't have my sections. So, I mean, all right, whatever. Right off the bat, like what am I supposed to do? This is the thing that I'm not a fan of. I guess you got to get used to it a little more just to see what we could do. Um, let's see. I can add I want a nice heading. So let's say this is our hero section. Um, that's the biggest question, right? Is this as intuitive as we want it to be? The main hero section. I already know that this is going to take me forever to do. I just want to add, yeah, text. Here we go. I want this to be the subheading. And let's see if there's a way that we can bring this a little closer. Loop design right here. Layout. Horizontal gap. No. Okay. Spacing. Top margin. Let's say 0, 0. Padding 0, 0. No. How do I just get this to be right under? I just want it right under there. Right under there. Settings. Man, I just really wished this was a lot easier, that it just made more sense. Or that at least I have something to go off of. Like this is a lot of stuff. There we go. Add layout. Okay. Pre-made layout. Woohoo! All right. Now we're getting somewhere because I was getting nowhere with that. Um, cool. So we've got the pre-made layouts. That's a huge thing. Let's check this one out. This one looks nice. Landing page. Yup. Use this layout. Import design presets. Sure. Looks like I have another floating window here, so I'm not really sure why. I do like this that I could just add pages so I don't have to keep going back and forth and back and forth. Commands. Yeah, there's a lot of options to this. Every time I click one, I have to like click it off. Oh, what happened? All these modal windows. All right, let's get, what is this? I don't know. Command center. Let's get all these things out of the way. Page manager or layers. Here we go. Header. Oh, this is kind of like the Elementor inspector. Sweet. So now we've got something here. Um, man, I mean, like, it's one thing to change this. Let's keep going with the cool header. This is the subtext. Let's see if I just want to like move this next to this, if I could just do that. So I can't just drag it next to this. Really can't drag it at all. Come on. All right. What is this plus? Add a new module or row? No. All right. So I mean, this is definitely a learning curve to try to get in and try to figure this out. Um, but I mean, on a cool note, I mean, it does have those pre-added layers, right? So we have pre-made layouts, or we could build something with AI, which seems pretty cool. Use stock images, generate placeholders. Oh, you get a free trial, so that's an upgrade. So you have to pay for that to use it. But all right, I mean, we'll put Divi on the list. Definitely not better than Thrive themes by any means. Just seems a much larger learning curve, especially for me. I'm sure if you're in this, you're probably like, oh, I could just click this, click that, kind of like the way I am with Thrive or even Elementor. But this seems really cool. It's just a lot of options here. I mean, look, we've got, I don't even know what I'm doing. The layers, that's fine, right? What's this? Inspector. Oh, okay. So that's styles. All right. But when I click this, it just keeps adding. That's kind of annoying. Variables, I don't really know what that is. I guess that's more things that let's see. Nope. Okay, I don't know. That's just variables. What is this? Preset manager, accordion? Is that something you can add? It's like stuck. They said this wasn't in beta anymore, so I'm not really sure what's happening here. A blurb? Can I add a blurb? Oh, geez, I don't know what this is. Presets. Maybe if I add an accordion, that's what it is. And this is the accordion info. Geez, listen, this is confusing. This is not super simple. I'm all right. Listen, if you like Divi, God bless you. Go for it. I don't think I'm gonna be switching anytime soon unless I have to. But this is crazy. How do I get out of here? Preview. No, like publish. Publish this. All right. Go set to. How do I see the page? Oh my gosh. Exit. All right. Preview. Let's see. Hello, Divi page. Bro. All right. I mean, yeah, I mean, sure. Like the page is there. It works, right? Everything's here. If I use this as is, it'll probably be a really quick setup. For me to make tweaks to this, oh, it's gonna take me so long to try to figure that out. So I'm pushing Divi off. Let's move on to the next one and the final one, which is Mosaic. And again, I haven't tried Mosaic, so let's check it out. All right, on to Mosaic. So let's get rid of these. Let's go back to the admin. And Mosaic is a plugin, but unlike Divi, Mosaic actually creates the theme for you through the plugin, which is really cool, I think. I hope. So let's see what Mosaic has to offer. So let's get off of this Divi thing. I'll just put Astra right now. And then let's go ahead and activate Mosaic. You all the way down here. Mosaic Pro Beta. And it's coming out of beta in I don't know, like a week. By the time this releases, it'll probably be out of beta. So this is pretty much the final version of it, right? So let's click on Mosaic. Boom, your Mosaic adventure begins. Note that it creates an entirely new custom theme for you, which isn't compatible with existing themes. In 2 minutes, our wizard will guide you through your brand new theme. All right, let's get started. Choose a theme to start. The Gibraltar, the monolith, blank, or empty. No, let's do. I don't know. Let's do monolith. This looks pretty cool. Oh, look, you can preview it right here, I think, and you can upload different ones. So that's pretty sweet. Let's preview that. Sure. All right, go back. Let's start with this one. Go. Let's start the wizard. You have test mode, live mode, license activation required. Activate to gain access to this theme. Sure. Activate it. All right, let me log in. All right, that was easy. I just had to click a button. All right, now it's doing all this stuff. Please wait while the imported theme is uploaded and processed. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right. Is this my site now? Like, this is my theme? Let's see. Your homepage displays a static page. Homepage, create a new page. Yep. Yeah, we're going to create a new page. We're going to do all this stuff. Okay. Font skin, neutral, elegant, timeless, futuristic. I like that. Let's do modern. Sweet. And then let's pick a brand color. Let's go blue. Nah. Let's be weird. Let's go fuchsia. Dark. That's yo Mosaic. You're winning points right now. This is pretty cool. So we got light mode, dark mode. We're gonna create a new page. Yup. Color skin, and we could literally pick any color, which is cool. Font skin, done. Right? I can't click anything yet. So let's go to next. This is our header. Okay. Replace header. What are my options? Ooh, I like this. Let's go. We've got the double headers, single line headers. Let's just keep it really simple. I mean, this is the simplest one. Um, yeah, let's do this one. Header 6. I don't even know what that. Yeah, cool. Why not? And then the footer, let's go fancy footer. Look at that. That's pretty sick. Let's do um too many. I don't have that many links. Let's do this one. Nice. Quick help. The master contains all the common elements of your site, such as the header and the footer. Templates inherit these elements while allowing customization to be specific. I like that. All right, let's go. Templates. Replace the home page. Yo, this is dope. Okay. Oh, I like this one. Homepage 7. What else we got? What else we got? Uh face, cool. Simple hero section. Oh, I like this one too. Your dream. I love that little dark hero section. Um yeah, let's keep the one we got. Let's keep this one. I like that one. All or free? What's the difference? All right, we'll stick with all. All right. Blog archive. Replace the blog archive page. Yup. I want something with images. Ooh, this is a nice one. Let's see. Something that's easily read. This one. I like this one. Yo, and it's got the stuff in it already. Okay. Let's go. Post page. Let's see. A single post page. Let's do what do we have? Big image, text, the content. This looks exactly like post 3. Oh, just small differences. Da, 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 da. What is this one like? Hey there, coffee lovers. We're back and better than ever. Can I test which one it shows? Maybe a different one. Ah, this is really cool, guys. All right, let's replace this post with the, I don't know, this one. Yep, fine. And then a 404 page. Oops, page not found. What do we, oh, let's get the giant 404 right there. Bam. Page not found. Call us or get in touch. Yo, that's sick. It's like a whole thing. Let's do this one. Yeah, cool. All right. I think those are the 4 templates. Right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Homepage. Let's go. Next. Pages. Oh, look. That's cool. An about page, a features page. Stop it. This builds out like your whole thing. Let's see. This will be the about page. Can I pick more than one for the features page? Oh, I can. So select page, features page, um, contact page. This is wow. A pricing page. I'm not crazy about these pricing pages, but I mean, let's just pick one. This one's fine. And then another page. Let's do, I don't know, other 4. Next. Can I tweak this stuff or does it is it just there? Page name, about. So it's gonna build all of these pages. I mean, that's really cool. What? What'd I do? Oh, and I could just I could just go through and pick whatever pages I want. Features page. Ah, this is really cool. All right, let's finish that up. That's pretty dope. I mean, I basically built like a whole site. I'm not going to use all those pages because I mean, technically, I already had my pages set up. But the fact that we just went through that and like every page is already done, I think that's really cool. I don't know, man. Thrive Themes might have a competitor on this one. That's nuts. Now it's finalizing the theme, configuring everything. And here's the main thing: like, I want to go into a page and make some edits. You know? Oh, what happened? Let me figure this out. Uh-oh. I think the beta got stuck at generating the thumbnail at 9%. Yep, there it goes. All right, let's see if we could get out of this. All right, I just got out of the wizard just to get out of it. All right, so let's see what we got. So it says, look, Mosaic. Let's see, pricing Mosaic. So all of this stuff was created by Mosaic. Edit in Mosaic. So let's take a look at. Is it this page? Yeah. All right. So this is the home page. Now let's edit it because this is the main thing that we want to make sure that we can do. Simple heading. The navigator automatically shows up. I click on the heading. I already got everything I need here. Can stuff that works as hard as you do. Great. Let's see. Can I move this stuff around? I can. Look, easy. Drag and drop, left and right. Perfect. What do I got here? What is this? Style, settings, interaction. What does that mean? Add a new interaction or edit an existing one. This element will act as the trigger. Okay. So if I click this, it's going to scroll, hover, click, page reload, scroll direction change, mouse move. That's pretty cool. Okay. Tag name. Yeah. General condition of it. Easy. What is this? Heading one. What's that? Actions. CSS class, copy style, paste style. All right. Remove subclass. Oh, uh-oh. Look at that. Bum, 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 bum. All right, right now it's large, custom. I don't really understand what this is. Gotta figure that out. Um, this is dope. Edit the instance. What does that mean? More options, edit component. Let's edit the instance. Am I in the right? Oh, I'm like, I thought I got rid of Divi. No, it's div. All right, these are the columns. So you've got the image here. Instance, copy style. How do I replace this image? Edit. Oh, well, there you go. Pop a couch in there. That's pretty cool. Little icon over here. All right, how do I add text? Let's say I want to add text to the bottom of this. Um, here's this. Select parent. Nope. Create a component. I want to add text, guy. I want to add something. All right. Yep. I know it's there. I know it's there. It's probably something really silly. Look at that. Add library component. So it's got different language here. Oh, no, that's a container. Whoops. Add text. All right, let's move it up. Oh, is that how this works? Yo, that's pretty cool. Looks like everything's kind of working through the navigator here, which is pretty sick. Let's say subheading, right? Now I want to bold it. I want it to be centered. Let's see. This is dynamic stuff, so I can theme name, title. That's cool. Insert some dynamic data. Text. I could do a. All right. There we go. I could do a subheading for. How do I center it? Can I center it? Ah, how do I center it? Come on, it's so close. Just center it. Center it. Just something simple. Center it. Center it. Come on. Oh, maybe that's what this is for. Base, no. Normal, no. Just center it. Class, actions, background, border, size, variable modes. No, there's got to be something so simple for me to just center it. That's so frustrating. Am I missing it? Dude, where is it? Transition, filter, normal. I just want to center it. That's all I want to do. Attributes, class, center. No. Man, come on. Done. Heading 4, italic. Come on. I found it. I feel silly. It's right here. Typography. Text align center. Done. It's gotta look a little harder. I'm sorry, guys. So this is pretty dope. So all of this is editable. This is really, really cool. Preview it right here. And then you have the different sizes. Look, you could check it on mobile, on tablets, just to see how it works. That's pretty awesome. Let's get out of that. Um, I like it. And then let's say we want to put a different template. Changes you may not be saved. Leave. And then we could just pick a different template for the home page. So they don't have the biggest library, but I mean, look, you can make new templates and design them yourselves. So I actually like this. I think this is pretty cool. It's got masters here, components. What is this? Style guide. You can make sure the entire website is exactly the same. What is this? Components, form placeholder, miscellaneous logos, things like that. That's awesome. Oh, you can add new components that you can like reuse over and over again. That's neat. Different blocks, style guides, was it themes, different themes, and then you have your settings and stuff like that. So this is in beta. This is really cool. This is Mosaic. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I still like Thrive only because I'm more used to Thrive, and Mosaic is still in beta, and they don't have as many templates and things as Thrive does. But I can absolutely see um, playing around with this and actually having fun playing around with it, and really making different things that you want to make. Like this looks pretty cool. Or is it edit in Mosaic? And then boom. Now I have all this stuff. I have the section here, rows. You have flex, spacing. Here's your typography. I can add a different background, it looks like. So let's pick a different color. Okay. Border box. So there's a lot of stuff you could do. Even the buttons. Look, different accents. Yeah, this looks fun. This looks like something I could get behind. So now let's get into the price of all these. Now, first thing we're gonna look at is we're gonna take a look at Thrive. All right, so this is the Thrive theme website, and you can see right here you actually can get Architect on its own if you wanted. So if you wanted to buy just Thrive Themes Architect to get the I believe this comes with the actual themes that you can do with it. I never had it by itself, so I'm not 100% sure. Let's see, focus on what you do. So you can get just the builder, and the builder is, oh my gosh, all this sales nonsense. $99 a year. No, that's a lie. And this is what I hate about Thrive. And this is why I left it in the first place because they're so full of crap. Like, listen, Thrive, you got to get your stuff together. This is the introduction price. Okay. If you buy it today, it's $99 a year. But the following year, when it renews, it's going to be $199, which to me is crazy. Same thing with this one. It's $199 a year for 2 plugins. And then the following year, it's going to renew at $399. And then to get all of the plugins, it's $299 for the year, which is, I mean, that's fine. But then the following year, $600? Like, are you kidding me? Cancel it the first year. That's crazy. Like, listen, I've had Thrive Suite for a long time, but I'm going to be honest. I would not spend $600 a year on this for one site. No, even for 5 sites. Like, no, not doing that. No way. Sorry. Good introduction price. not spending $600 the following year. So if you don't get it, I don't blame you. If your business is doing well and you want some great solutions, then fine, get this. If you're a membership of the full quiver, once I have that up and running, I have access to this because I've been a member for Thrive Themes for a long time. So if you want it at a discounted rate, let me know. We'll work something out. But yeah, I don't know, man. I can't justify $600 a year for the Thrive suite. They do the same thing with I think it's Flow Cart or whatever it's called, where it's like, oh yeah, it's 199 now, but then when you renew it, it's like 599. It's like, come on, man. Like, who's spending that? That's I don't know. That's crazy to me. Whatever. So that's Thrive themes. Still my favorite. Is it pricey? Yeah, it's really expensive. I wouldn't do 599 a year. I would do 299 a year. So try that out. Or if you want to join my community, I said, we'll work something out. I don't have it up yet, but the link will be in the comments. That's it. Or you could pay quarterly, which is 149 every quarter. I guess that's a little more appetizing if you're a startup, especially if you're building up your business, you're getting some funds in, and every 3 months you spend 150 bucks. Okay, still comes out to 600 bucks a year, but at least it's more manageable than just 600 bucks in one shot. I don't know. It all depends on your business too. And this is only for how many sites? Up to 5 websites you get. So I don't know. Use your judgment. Let's go check out Divi. How much does Divi cost? I don't think Divi is expensive at all, to be honest. I've had Divi for, oh my gosh, how long have I had Divi for? Since 2005 or something. Like when it first came out. So I've been locked in at like this $38 a year price, which I'm just never giving it up. So, I'll keep paying for it. What is this? They do monthly, $23 a month, 277 a year. Again, if you like Divi, if Divi's your thing, sure, why not? I'll have this available in the community as well because I have it, but I wouldn't do that. 297 for a lifetime, that's not bad. Like that's actually really good. Divi lifetime plus pro 240, like that's yeah. Is that the final price or is it telling me like I have to pay for a million other things? Divi theme plus builder for life and all pro services for 297. Yeah, I don't that's great. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Or 249 today, never pay again for Divi. Yeah, Divi's always has the best deals and always had the best prices. So super affordable. Divi, like, yeah, that's good. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with that. And then last, let's check out Mosaic. I gotta find it. There it is. It's mosaicbuilder.com. Yeah, beta ends March 18th. Official launch March 25th. So let's see how much Mosaic is. Free for the first year, then $39 a year from year 2. That's not bad, man. If you want it for your own small business website, that's a good buy. Creator free for the first year, then 149 from year 2, and that's up to 10 websites. Pretty cool. Or 199 for the lifetime early bird lifetime pricing. Again, that's not bad. That's not bad. For the lifetime, it's better than $600 a year for Thrive. Like, come on, Thrive. That's you. I don't know. Just not happy with them. And Elementor is just a mess anyway. So I don't know. Thrive pricing. I mean, Mosaic pricing's pretty good. So again, I would stick with Thrive if you've got the budget. Great. If you don't got the budget, maybe do quarterly. Or we'll keep some options opens in the future. Mosaic seems to have the best price. They don't have the most options to build from. So you're still kind of you're stuck a little bit until they grow, but they're in beta right now. So I have no doubt that this 199 investment is going to pay for itself. Like this seems like a really cool builder. I've never tried it before and you saw how simple it was to make everything. So I do think that the Mosaic builder is going to be a real competitor in this space of page builders. So keep an eye on that. Check out Mosaic, and then Divi. I mean, yeah, if you love Divi, go for it. What do I say? I'm not a crazy fan, but that's it. What are your thoughts? What do you guys think? I know that there's a million people on Elementor. I'm just over it. It's too big. It's too bloated, and there's just too many widgets and plugins. to build from that. So it gets kind of weird. But what do y'all think? What's your favorite page builder? Have you tried Mosaic? Do you like Thrive? Do you feel the same way I feel? Like, dude, Thrive, you're getting a little crazy with your pricing. Got to fix that. Are you waiting for something like Thrive to hit the market again so that it's more accessible to people and more affordable, and more innovation? Like, come on, AI, it's 2026. We should have AI in all of these things. And it looks like some of them are including it and some of them aren't, but we'll see where it goes. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe if you like this video. And until next time, God bless. Peace.